A never-raced Mercedes-AMG GT3 car is headed to RM Sotheby's upcoming Monterey auction, presenting a rare opportunity for a member of the public to bid on and own real modern-day GT3 race car. This car, chassis number 50, differs from a typical Mercedes-AMG GT3 as it doesn't have to have the FIA's performance balancing engine restrictors installed, nor the FIA's software. This has boosted output of the 6.2-litre V8. The GT3 car uses the old 6.2-litre V8 in place of the turbo 4.0-litre to save on cost, from around 550 horsepower to 650 horsepower. It also gets a special Laureus Sport for Good foundation chrome vinyl wrap with exposed carbon fiber parts. All proceeds from the sale of the vehicle, expected to be around $400,000, will benefit the Laureus Foundation. The charity is active in over 40 countries and supports athletes and helps use sports to uplift disadvantaged children. Mercedes-Benz is a partner of Laureus and is involved in several fundraising campaigns with the charity, including one in which the German automaker also donates €1 to the Laureus Sport for Good Foundation for every kilometer its GT3 racing teams drive. Offering exceptional levels of performance in what is perhaps the most attractive bodywork on today's GT3 grid, this Mercedes-AMG GT3 represents a wonderful opportunity to support a worthy cause, RM Sotheby's listing for the car says. We're not sure what you could do with this car, apart from participating in track days. If you owned a race team, or wanted to start one, it would be possible to return to FIA spec and race it, but we get the feeling it will instead be bought by a rich guy as a showpiece. Maybe he'll convert it to a road car like that street-legal Aston Martin Vulcan. Now that would be something.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.